Yo, hello everyone, Alex right here. Welcome today to the channel. Welcome back here in Switzerland, in Zurich, for today something absolutely very special. Today is the launch of the BYD here, Switzerland, the global press media launch for the brand. So without further ado, I'm gonna take you along with me for all the journey because there's a lot happening today as well with the discovering press conference as well, and later on with the global test drives on the road as well. So that's gonna be very epic and very excited. So come along and we're gonna discover the brand today here all together. All right, so here it is after the conference. Here is the whole show, the whole stand, how everything is looking, especially with the U8. Check out just the interior, how it looks. This is absolutely crazy. The car, the sides, and everything is so massive as well. Check this out. And you have some other cars as well that have been revealed. The Sealion 7, it's just the one that we're gonna test later on as well. And this, you have the CUDMI, which I absolutely love so much. The car is really nice. The sides, everything, all the features are literally very technological, very brand new as well. So that's very special also as well. And here you have like the whole rear part of the car as well. I love the space that we currently are. And you have the BYD Seal, the brand new, super technological. Look at that. You have like the louvers right here on the down. And the interior is absolutely crazy and nuts. Here it is with the whole BYD branded. Look at the seats as well. This is absolutely so interesting. The e-platform 3.0. Look at that. It's massive, especially for the range and how far you can drive. So that's very special. We have like all the press and everyone is making vlogs and videos as well for the press launch as well. Look at that. The media press launch, look at that. With the reveal of the 3 cars. Here they are with this kind of very special color as well. The Sealion 7, the Seal, here it is for the dynamic brand launch. And you have like the third one as well. The one that I do love so much and which is absolutely very interesting. Look at that. All right, so right here on board of the BYD, just after the massive launch presentation, the Global Swiss presentation actually, and currently on board of the BYD Sealion 7, entirely in black, and check out everything what's on board. Look how beautiful the car is and all the brand new features. Look at that, the whole design and the whole rear cabin as well with the massive panoramic sunroof. The car is so smooth and so comfortable. So without further ado, we're gonna test it on the road more in deep as well. Right, so here it is, this one and only BYD Sealion 7. So we're gonna make a very quick tour around the car to see how the car literally looks. And you have these 2 lines in the bumper, in the bonnet as well. BYD right here. You have the front bumper right here with these absolute specific LED lights which are very recognizable for BYD. You have this massive and very beautiful 20 inches ribs with very nicely forged, and you have the red calipers right here with a little sport touch of the car. BYD design. Here's to unlock the car as well if you want. And we're gonna check also the interior as well, but here's the whole back, the whole exterior of the car with the BYD all-wheel drive, and the power is like over 500 kilometers per hour. Quick check on the boot, massive space on the boot as well, full black, and also the interior of the car is absolutely very special. Look how much space inside of the car for the leg space. I'm gonna jump in and then you'll see. Look how much space you have with the whole panoramic roof. You're very well seated on board as well. And from the driver's side of the car, here it is, the whole interior as well. So comfortable, so nice. Yeah, so let's go now behind the wheel and let's check out for the test drive. So we're currently driving around like 15-20 minutes more or less. I'm absolutely loving the car so much. And we're gonna switch the modes with the sport. You have the snow, eco, normal, and sport, obviously, where it's everything showing right here. And let's make a little acceleration of the 500 horsepower, like over. Whew. It pushes so much, so much. Wow. There's a lot of power, a lot of torque, everything comes instantly as well. And if we go back on the normal mode, everything is like way more smooth, and you have the acceleration, which is linear. And this is absolutely very interesting to see on that car. Pretty like a lot of options, like the full high spec quality of the car inside, and with this massive and beautiful panoramic sunroof, which is absolutely insane for the core, which is pretty deep as well. And you have like all the car's features right here with the massive screen, massive control, which is absolutely very practical. You just don't have to be distracted driving with that on the road as well, but you also can control some stuffs on board of the steering wheel. So that's it. That's a bit the whole tour of this brand new BYD Sealion 7 with this massive launch of today. So I hope that you guys really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and hope to see you very soon. Bye bye.